I don't even know why I'm doing this. And the line keeps going. You know what? No, this shit. It's about 4 p.m., but in a few hours, this place is gonna get packed. Just wait for it. We've got police and security forces all ready to handle terrorist attacks, criminal activity, you name it. Yay. And over here, people are already making a line to go into the T-Mobile district, where they're gonna get drunk, probably high, and celebrate New Year 2026. So until it opens, I think I can do just, a walk around, see what's happening. This is the Puerto Rico Convention Center. It's about 20 years old, and finally they're giving maintenance to this damn structure. Those beams used to be full of corrosion and mold, and they're finally cleaning it up. Now here's another example. The left pole looks like an old lady's hairy leg, and the right one, well, completely the opposite. It's a really good place to party, do conventions, meetings, you name it. I think this is part of the pyrotechnic show, meaning the fireworks that they're going to release. Most likely at midnight, not sure. This is not my science. Interesting. They have this whole line of pyrotechnics running down here on this sidewalk. In Times Square in New York, they have a ball. Over here in Puerto Rico, we have a star. Most likely this is going to drop by midnight, but don't take my word for it.
One eternity later.
So it's after 8. I'm going to see if I can sneak into the T-Mobile district. Okay, unfortunately, I don't think I'm going to be able to go into T-Mobile district. Why? Because just look at the whole freaking line I'm going to have to make in order just to get in for free. Holy crap. You know what? If I make this line, I'm probably going to get in by next year. So, yeah, no way. Not to mention I can catch the flu here, something which I don't want. I mean, just look at it. You know what? No, I'm sorry. I'm going to celebrate New Year somewhere else. Maybe the party at the hotel could be a little bit more flexible. Don't take my word for it. Let me walk a little bit further just to see how bad this line is. I don't even know why I'm doing this. And the line keeps going. You know what? No, this shit. People are throwing their firecrackers and stuff. Also, look at this. Look at all these ambulances. It's a good place to have a heart attack and not need to wait for an ambulance to be taken to the hospital. And you can't get in through the alternative entry. So, yeah, me. I think the most you can do is just watch. And you know what? I have a lot of respect for these people. They said, F it, I'm not going to make that line and waste hours of my life on something that I have no guarantee of. So they would just rather sit outside here in peace with their families and friends and still enjoy the music. Where are they going to buy their booze? I have no idea. Well, this is a much reasonable line to take a photo right underneath that big bright star. I'd do that one. Maybe if I can sneak into the hotel's party, I might have a chance of having a good celebration. Just don't tell anybody. Yeah, this is a much better spot. Screw T-Mobile. Who needs them anyway? You know, there are some moments in life when I say to myself, I am so stupid for not bringing a bathing suit.